Welcome, dear friends, to an electrifying showdown, one that has the tech universe buzzing with excitement. OpenAI's new text-to-video model, Sora, about to emerge from the digital ether, promising to redefine what's possible. Today, we pit Sora against the reigning champions, RunwayML, PixVerse, and the enigmatic Morph Studio. I picked up few prompts from Sora's videos and ran them on RunwayML, PixVerse, and Morph Studio to compare the results. And guess what? The last prompt I used, it sparked a kaleidoscope of intriguing results. So stick around. This is going to be interesting till the very end. Our first prompt: a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boots, and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. She walks confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the colorful lights. Many pedestrians walk about. Sora effortlessly brings her to life. Leather jacket swaying, red dress billowing. Natural walk, mesmerizing reflections on the damp road, and a magical dolly camera movement. Sora nailed the prompt. RunwayML captures the woman's appearance accurately, but with slightly distorted hands. Street reflections are subtle, and the blurred neon background adds depth. However, the character lacks a walking motion. Let's ignore the 4-second duration. Most tools offer 3 to 4 seconds, some extending to 4 to 8 seconds. Please note that I ran these prompts multiple times and picked the best result. PixVerse's result is decent. The woman closely matches the prompt except black boot and black purse. Her improved walking motion stands out, but the street lacks realistic reflections. How about Morph Studio? It nails the woman's appearance, but with a red purse instead of black. The dress lacks the black and red combo, yet her improved walking motion shines. The street is dump, boasts reflections. Here is how I will rate each tool for this prompt on a scale of 1 to 5. Sora, 5. RunwayML, 3. PixVerse, 3. Morph Studio, 4. Next up, several giant woolly mammoths approach treading through a snowy meadow. Their long woolly fur lightly blows in the wind as they walk. Snow-covered trees and dramatic snow-capped mountains in the distance. Mid-afternoon light with wispy clouds and a sun high in the distance creates a warm glow. The low camera view is stunning, capturing the large, furry mammal with beautiful photography, depth of field. Sora's mammoths are majestic, their fur swaying in the wind. However, as they walk, leaves behind a snow cloud from their footstep, which is unrealistic considering the ground is covered with wet snow. Maybe interpretation of the phrase "wispy clouds" in the prompt gone wrong. RunwayML adeptly captures the moment, infusing a realistic glow behind the mammoths as they tread heavily. It struggles with mammoth's legs and teeth. How about PixVerse? It really struggles with the mammoth and its movement. I couldn't get any better result from PixVerse using the same prompt. I am disappointed with Morph Studio also. Mammoths and their movement don't look realistic. So, this is how I will rate the tools for this prompt. I think RunwayML gets the most points due to realistic composition of the overall scene. Sora, 4. RunwayML, 5. PixVerse, 1. Morph Studio, 2. Our next prompt, photorealistic close-up video of 2 pirate ships battling each other as they sail inside a cup of coffee. Sora's creativity goes beyond expectation here, with dramatic waves on a cup of coffee with the photorealistic ships chasing each other. Flags on top of one of the ships shows inconsistency. In RunwayML, I couldn't get the ships on a cup of coffee even after multiple try. It created 2 pirate ships on sea, with little movement and crashing waves. I was able to get 2 ships on a cup of coffee in PixVerse, but it lacks realism due to too much deformation of the ships and coffee. In Morph Studio, it shows 2 ships on a cup of coffee, but the ships and their movement is not so realistic. And here's my ratings for this prompt. RunwayML missed a point just because of the cup of coffee. Sora, 4. RunwayML, 3. PixVerse, 2. Morph Studio, 2. Next up, A young man at his 20s is sitting on a piece of cloud in the sky, reading a book. The young man from Sora is ultra-realistic. The expression on his face is priceless as he reads the book. If we look close enough, there are some deformations on the book pages. RunwayML also creates a convincing young man following the prompt. Composition of the scene follows the prompt. Did you notice the issue with his eyes? I think be it Sora or RunwayML or any other tool, no one yet can make it 100% perfect. PixVerse, as we see, struggles on this prompt. It looks like a static image of a man reading books superimposed to the cloud. Morph Studio probably done a better job than PixVerse, despite deformations in legs, hands, and book pages. Here, Sora and RunwayML both have done well, so my scores are Sora 4, RunwayML 4, PixVerse 1, Morph Studio 2. Our next prompt, a Chinese Lunar New Year celebration video with Chinese dragon. It's a mind-blowing representation of a simple prompt by Sora, reflecting joy and festive mood of the crowd. The camera movement is very natural, ignoring few deformations. It's an intriguing scene composed by Sora. How about RunwayML? They've infused it with vibrant red colors all over the places that truly captures Chinese New Year's spirit. Again, ignoring few deformations, it looks fantastic. PixVerse represented the prompt with a single character, yet it's very elegant. Morph Studio's varied characters evoke festival mood with unique costumes and expressions. I think all the tools performed really well and produced very interesting results for this prompt. So, here is what I will rate. Sora 5, RunwayML 5, PixVerse 5, Morph Studio 5. And there you have it, folks. Sora, RunwayML, PixVerse, and Morph Studio, all masters of their craft. But who takes the lead? Based on my ratings, Sora has the edge and RunwayML not too far behind. Sora may be the new kid on the block, but the AI video throne remains an ever-shifting kaleidoscope. Who do you think is the winner? Let me know in the comment box. Thank you for joining us today. If you made it this far, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You may also like these other videos on the screen. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.